In the last lecture, you learned about how we can select a photo from a photo library and then display it as an incident photo in our app. Now, sometimes you will be picking pictures or photos from a photo library, and sometimes obviously you will be taking pictures. So let's go ahead and see that how we can allow the user to take a picture. Now, in order for this to work, make sure that you have a device that is running iOS 14 or above. And the reason is that in the simulator, you can't really take a picture. So you have to use a real device. I'm going to go into the Add Incidents page. And just like we have implemented Select Photo from Photo Library, we can use a very similar approach to actually take a picture or allow the user to take a picture. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create an image picker, which will be a simple image picker instance. So let's go ahead and do that. Once we have created the image picker, we have to call the function getImage, and we have to pass in the image source as a camera. So now I can say image picker dot get image, and the source will be image source dot camera. This means that we are asking the image picker that, hey, we want to take a picture or we want to use the camera. And this is going to return you a future, so we're going to await for that future, and then we're going to put that in something called a picked file, which is our own variable. Once we have that, we can go ahead and set the state. We're going to call set state, and inside set state, we're going to simply set the image. So we're going to create a file object, and we're going to use the path of that particular picked file and to assign it and create a new file object. Whenever we assign something to the state, the build function is fired again, and that will allow us to display the picture. Now, since this application or this particular feature from picking a picture or taking a picture from a camera is not going to work in the simulator, let me show you a recording I created in which we are taking a picture using the app, and then that picture displays in our Flutter application. So here it is, we're launching the app. I select Add Incident, and I can click on Add Photo, allow the camera access, then take a picture, and the picture now appears in our Flutter application. So in the recorded video, you saw that we were able to launch the camera on an iPhone. Make sure that the iPhone is running iOS 14 or above. And we were able to take a picture, and that picture then got displayed in our Flutter widget, Flutter View. This is all great. Our next step would be to take that picture and upload it to the Firebase storage. So let's go ahead and see that how we can accomplish that next.